Hey guys, my name is Maya McCarthy. I'm a native photographer in New York, and this is a day in my life. I like to start my days off very slow, very grounded, be around nature and walk along the water. From there, I like to make my way to the studio. Once the models arrive, I am able to introduce them to the concept. I like to intrigue the models and allow them to just immerse themselves into the vision that I have. I feel like as a photographer, I have so much in my mind and see the simplicities of life and am inspired by it. Natives are naturally creative and resourceful, and so much art and creativity and concepts are brought to life. I want to continue impacting underserved communities as well as Indigenous communities through my work.